thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I will be making, as it is a plethora of goodies. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as the little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. Now, I am so excited to get this wig, because I have been really dying to get like a Beyonce curled crazy wig. I was like, I need a Beyonce wig in my life, and I have one. Yay! So this wig is from divatrust.com. I'll leave the link down below for that, including coupon codes. Go get those coupons and be fabulous with a little less money, right? That's what it's all about. So like I said, I wanted a Beyonce wig, and I kind of been stalking these a little bit, kind of figuring out what would be best for me, and this one really seemed like a winner. So this is from Main Concept. I love Main Concept wigs. I have a lot of them. I'll leave links down below for all of those that I love. So again, so this is from Main Concept. It is the Red Carpet Premium Edition. And then also this is the Futura Fiber, which means it's also heat resistant as well, if you really choose to modify these curls. So this wig is in the style of Thelma. Thelma and Louise, people, getting a little wild, right? So this is really great. I'm super excited to have her, and let's just take a look at her. So like I said, I got her in the blonde. She's in the T. I got her in excuse me, 613. Look at these curls. Like, this is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And one thing I really love about her is that clearly she's, you know, she's pretty wild, but she isn't like out of control, like super voluminous, but I haven't really even brushed her. So this is just her like straight out of the bag, if you will. And what is actually a little different with this wig, and I guess I'd say my only qualm with the blonde, and of course this wouldn't be really noticeable in the other colors, but when you have a super blonde wig, and then it's easy to see the waves. So for instance, this is the only wig I've ever owned that doesn't have like an actual parting. So it just has like, gosh, let me, half an inch of lace. You see that? Just like around the edges, and there's no parting, which is very different. So clearly, which honestly, I don't care. If someone sees my waves, good, let them see them. But I honestly, I really don't care, because if I'm gonna look this fabulous, you can see them. So here's what I'm talking about, if you can see. So kind of when you put it on, like clearly you can see the waves here. But of course, you know, this may be something that if you really like a certain way, actually, let's just put it on and mess with it, because I felt like, so she has it kind of like, if you're looking at it, kind of like pulled to the side, kind of like waved like this, so you wouldn't really see it so much. But again, let's just take a peek at it. So again, she's very long. She's also like slightly layered, so little bit of a V, but pretty full, like just for the fact that it's pretty even, but she does have layers, which is great. Okay. Oh, and then let's not put her on yet. We gotta talk about the inside. So she has three combs, two on the side and one in the back with the fastener. But let's just take a look at the construction, because like I said, this is the only wig I own that does not have a parting right here. So this is very interesting. Okay, what do you guys think about that? All right, so let's put her on. And of course I wore like this fun dress, because I was like, if I'm gonna have a Beyonce moment, I'm gonna have a Beyonce moment, right? I always say, when in doubt, if you have any kind of problem in your life, like with boys, life, I always think to myself, what would Beyonce do? She'd do this. Exactly. She wouldn't care. So that's my advice in life. I got a hair and my eyelash. Okay, so I got these wig caps from Amazon for 10-pack for $5.99. Link down below for that. I'm gonna back it up a little bit because we're gonna be getting wild with this wig. Also, I do not feel like she would be very large head friendly. I feel like, you know, normal size head. She feels pretty tight, but I also have her on a tight setting. So, okay, let's just make sure everything is on. She feels pretty tight, which is good. I like a tight fitting wig. Okay. All right, so again, I have not done anything to her except for cut off that little bit of lace that she had up in the front. So I have done nothing. By all means, customize her all you want. You know, that's what life's all about. Having fun, customizing your wigs. Okay, I mean, look at this. This is Beyonce and like Shaka Khan. Like, just get wild with it. I just love it. I've been really wanting like a really curly wig, and like this is her. I mean, wow, I'm 5'7", so this is definitely mid-waist at 5'7" for me. Oh, she just feels so carefree and fun and honestly like movie star. So here's on this side. Oh yeah, so like I was mentioning, how she's wearing it, I feel like when she kind of like down the center, but kind of like, she kind of brings the hair like to the side like this. Still you can see it, but see all the waves, but it's just, this is just so intensely fun. I just, you know, I can't get over it. It just feels so good. And also like you can just move it like, cause clearly there's just like a ½ inch of lace around the edge for you kind of just to do whatever you want with it, like free will. Oh yeah, I'm actually gonna be running errands right after this and she's coming out with me for sure. Look at these curls. Look at it, and they're very soft. They're very soft, but also has a little bit of a texture to it, but very soft. I absolutely love it. I'm in love with how fun this wig is. Oh my gosh. Let me know, honestly, you all know I love to hear from you. I love to hear from you. I love to see you and your wigs and your makeup, so send them to me. Leave me a comment down below and reach out to me on Instagram or send me your photos in an email. I want to see you. If you have like a wig like this, I want to see you in it. And then also, if you have any wigs like this that have like almost like no part or whatnot. So I would love to know about it. I want to hear from you. Again, this wig is from divatrust.com. Link is down below, including coupon code. Remember everyone, it is your absolute right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be, and do not let anyone rain on your parade. You just be fabulous and radiate that, because when you're fabulous, you're not only doing yourself a favor, but the entire world a favor. So I want to thank you, and we will see you soon.